So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is 26th January. Happy Republic Day to all of you. And guys, today I decided to make Bharat Mata. I hope you guys like this video. This is a full tutorial for beginners how to draw Bharat Mata, and the color tutorial will be on the part 2 video of the Bharat Mata. And also guys, do follow me on Instagram, link in description, and also follow me on my Facebook page, also link in the description. And one thing guys, I forget to mention that I found this Bharat Mata picture on Pinterest. If you guys want to draw this picture, you can get it from Pinterest. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share with your artist friends, and please do like and subscribe to my channel.